Hey guys, welcome back. So all the way back in September 2020, we saw the launch of Galaxy Fit 2. Since then, it's been very quiet. Well, that's about to change with the launch of the new Galaxy Fit 3. This information comes from the Korean branch of the Samsung Community Forum. One of the people on the forum posted a question about the Galaxy Fit 3 and when we might see it. A Samsung moderator spilled the beans on the potential release date by saying the activity band would most likely launch by the end of 2022, adding that if there's a delay, we might see it by early 2023. If the information on Galaxy Fit 3 is accurate, it means we will not see the wearable alongside the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. And the band will apparently cost around the same price as the Fit 2. This will likely translate to a launch price of $60 in the US. Other than that, no more details have been leaked, but we think it's safe to assume we will be seeing a slightly larger AMOLED display and longer battery life just like the Fit 2. What the Fit 2 was missing was blood oxygen tracking, which has become pretty standard over the past couple of years. So this is one feature we think will surely make a cut. Built-in GPS could also be another possibility, but the chances are very low of this actually making it to the band considering the low price tag. But it's a really useful feature to have, and I think more and more fitness bands should include this feature. And always on display is another feature we expect for this fitness tracker. It allows you to see the time and other key information like notifications without doing much. Also, we can expect upgraded sensors to be a part of Galaxy Fit 3. Well, that's all we know right now. If you want to know more, then subscribe. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next one.